How to slow down YouTube Shorts. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily slow down YouTube Shorts. So first thing, just head over to your YouTube application and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're inside here, all you have to do is just first locate any of the reels or shorts that you want to watch, and from over here all you have to do is just like the video just like this. So once you like the video, now what I want you to do is just come back to your profile section at the bottom right corner. So once you click it, you can see there is an option called liked videos. So just tap on your liked videos just like this and just locate the videos which you just liked just like this. And once you tap on it, you can see there is an option called settings. And from over here all you have to do is you can see there is another option that is playback speed. So just tap on it and you can slow it down by whatever X or speed to your choice. So as you can see, the video has been slowed just like that. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.